As you guys can see by the title of the video, today we are going to be working on my Toyota RunxZ. And today we are going to be changing the control arms. As you can see, my wheel clearly has a lot of play due to worn out arms. That needs to be solved. Same on the other side. Okay, so the first order of proceedings is going to be to jack the car, obviously. Get the car up in the air and prop it. I would never support anyone to work under a car or on a car on a jack. It's a very dangerous thing to do. So we can jack the car and put it on props. What you saw me do just now was break the lug nuts. It's very important that you break the lug nuts before you jack the car to avoid any problems going on the road. So break the nuts first, not fully remove, but break them and then jack the car. So as you can see, both wheels are now off the ground and the car is safely parked. Not on any jacks. Do not recommend working on a car on jacks. Due to the fact that my car is lowered, I would have had to jack the car way too high to get it on this jack stand, so I decided to use bricks and wood. Okay, so to remove this control arm, you gotta undo 1, 2 nuts and this bolt here, then this one here, and the one on the side frame. After removing the control arm, you can, what the phone will help pry open the joints. Cause after you bolt them down, it tends to draw. So pry them open. Both this one and this one. And that will make it easier. Driver side control on back in, then tighten both joints. Just step it back in the drop link now, into the shot and onto the next side.